In this video, I will show you how to add texture to a shape in Canva. First open Canva, then click on Elements, scroll down and click on Shape. Then choose the shape you want to add. I'm going to add this shape. To change the shape color, click on the shape, then click on Color. You can change the color from here according to your preference. Now click on Elements again and type Texture. Then press enter. Under graphics, click on See All. Then select the texture you want to add to your shape. You can also resize the texture as needed. You can also change the texture corners by clicking on corner and adjusting it according to your preference. And that is how you can add texture to a shape in Canva. I hope this video is helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.